So welcome back to the tutorial on SketchUp. We're looking at how to extract the data from our timber frame panels. We go to our main screen. This is our wall that we made the last time, and it consists of three panels of the exact same. What we'll do is, if I double click and go into edit mode for the wall, I'll select just one of the panels. So for just now, I only want to extract the data on just one of the panels. I'll go to File, Generate Report. It opens it up in my other window. I'll go Create New Template. I'm going to select the current selection, so it only gives me the data on just what I've got selected. I'm going to report my findings in meters, and I'll have the decimal placed down to the bottom here, 6, I think that is. I'll group it by definition name. I will then have the name comes out. I'll have my lengths and my densities. I'll have my entity volume as well. I'll run that. That looks good. So I have everything that I need. Where's my quantity? Nope. If I press go back, and I am after quantity, I'll add that in. I'll move that higher up the table. There we are. Press run. Now it's looking like what I actually want. I shall press download. Or I could save that as a template as well. But we'll download it. Give it a unique name. I'll open that up in Microsoft Excel. Okay, it's starting to look not too bad. Select all of my headings here along the top, double click, and you can see they automatically pull out to the sizes that I want, or I can do them manually if I wish to. If I select 2 and drag down to 4, and then press right click, insert, I've got some space along the top here. I can have that in meters, kilograms per meter cubed. Currently that's got text at the end of it I want to remove. So how am I going to do that? If I go here, press equals, and I'll type in value, or I'll just double click the value option, and then I'll press open brackets again, left, and then I'll select the cell, then comma, and then I'm going to type len, or length, and then I'm going to select the cell one more time, close the brackets, then put -8, and then close all the brackets off, press enter, and you see what I've done there has converted this by stripping off all the unnecessary text at the end. And because it's already in cubic meters, and that's exactly what I want. Now, what I can do now, I can now work out the mass for each of the objects and then add them up. So if I do that by, in here, going equals, so we have 1 object, or this quantity 1, multiplied by the entity volume multiplied by the density of that material. And that's giving me a mass in kilograms. I can just copy that by Control C, come down, and then press Control V. I'm not trying to teach you Microsoft Excel. Other lecturers will do that. I believe Wojciech will be teaching you some Excel. I'm just trying to show you that you can pull the data out with a little bit of effort. I now want to do a total on this, so I can go equals, sum, open brackets, draw a fence down here, close brackets, enter. And the weight of that one panel ends up becoming should put kilograms, 71.3 kilograms for that panel. Perfect. So as we can see, we've pulled the data out of that BIM model and we've extracted the weight of that panel. You'll also notice if you go back that we've also got a cutting list for that panel. We see that we have studs. We've got 5 studs of 145 by 38 millimeters, and each of which are 2 meters 324 mil. And we've got a bottom rail and a top rail, both being 2.4 meters as well. That's giving you a cutting list for constructing that panel, and also the OSB as well. It's giving you need a sheet that's equivalent of 2.4 meters by 2.4 meters and by 10 millimeters thick. So we're getting a cutting list and we're getting the overall weight for that panel. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you next time.